If you use Zapier regularly, changing your time zone is one of those small settings that can make a big difference. It helps keep your task schedules, delays, reminders, and workflow timing aligned with your actual location so your automations run when you expect them to. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the time zone in Zapier step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Zapier in your browser and go to your Zapier home dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top area of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is usually where your account options are stored, including profile and billing settings. After clicking your profile, a menu should appear. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you into your main account settings area, where you can adjust important preferences for your Zapier account. Now, inside the settings page, click on My Profile. This is the section where Zapier stores your personal account details, and it's where you'll be able to update your time zone settings. Once the My Profile page opens, scroll down until you find the time zone option. You should see a drop-down menu next to it. Click that time zone drop-down to view the available time zone choices. Zapier will show a list of regions and time zones, so take a moment to find the one that matches your location or the time standard you want to use for your automations. Select the time zone you want from the list. Make sure you choose carefully because this setting can affect how time-based actions behave in your workflows. For example, if you have scheduled automations, delay steps, or recurring tasks, the time zone determines when those actions trigger. After selecting the correct time zone, go ahead and click Save Changes. This is the final step that applies your updated settings. Once saved, Zapier will use your new time zone for your account and workflows, and that's it. You've successfully changed the time zone in Zapier. It only takes a minute, but it can save you from a lot of confusion later if you're working across different regions or need your automations to follow local time. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Zapier tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other settings or automation tips you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.